So I want to play Call of Duty, but I don't want to spend $50. So I'm going to put AI to the test to see if we can make a better Call of Duty than Black Ops 7. So I'm over here on Claude, so I'm just say, you're a master game designer. I want you to make a Call of Duty Black Ops 7 game yourself and make it in 3D. Make sure it's a first person shooter, and also make this game a banger. I invested in Anthropic. Don't make me second guess that. Alright guys, we're back over here. So it says my investment is secure. Let's go. That's what I want to hear. It just built me Black Ops 7 Shadow Protocol, a full 3D first person shooter. Okay, blah blah, headshot system, anime AI. Okay, that's all good, but we'll see. Cover system with obstacles. Okay, gameplay loop. So a gameplay loop, enemies spawn in waves and rush your position, take them down with precision shooting, headshots equals instant kills, survive as long as possible while waves get progressively harder. So this is kind of like Modern Warfare survival mode from like MW3, which is pretty sick. I like that. Each wave adds more enemies, makes them faster. Okay. The game has proper 3D graphics with 3JS. Okay, let's do it. Start mission. How do I move? Alright, so I'm gonna say, hey, I can't move the player camera with my mouse. Also, I go through obstacles. Alright, now we're back. So it fixed my thing clicking on the screen and collision detection. Okay, let's try it now. Let's see what it can do. Okay, bro, this is not working. I'm clicking my mouse, if you can hear it, and it's nothing. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna just give it one more shot. I'm like, hey, still my mouse isn't going. Moving the camera. You have one more shot to fix this. All right, let's see what it can make for me. Okay, let's see now. Okay, guys, this is bull. This is dog water. It's not working. I'm clicking the mouse. Yep. All right. Well, that's Claude's attempt. So let's just go to Gemini. I already know I can trust Gemini because if you saw my last video with the Finance of Freddy's, it knocked it out of the water. So I'm just gonna Google AI Studio. All right, guys. So this is literally like my third attempt of trying to do this. So I'm just saying the same prompt I gave to Claude. You're a master game designer. I want you to make a Call of Duty Black Ops 7 game yourself and make it in 3D. Make sure it's a first-person shooter and also make this game a banger. I invested in Alphabet. Don't make me second guess that. Also, take your time and make sure the game is bug-free and make as many files as possible. I want something nice. Don't put any Gemini API in this and make everything handcrafted. Because the other like 2 times I tried it, it would always try to be putting the Gemini API to like make missions or something, and I think that was like kind of giving a problem. So I just kind of want everything to be handcrafted. Hopefully it doesn't include that. So let's see what we get now. All right, we're back. So we're playing Cover Ops Protocol 7. So yeah, hopefully it works. Okay, so these buildings I can go through. The enemies I can't. So I'm gonna say I can't. The enemies, and they don't move as well. I can go through the objects. Yeah, so far this is like the best thing I've seen so far. All right, so we're back. So hopefully it fixes so I can like the enemy, or I can body the enemies. So I can't go through the walls anymore. Oh shoot. Okay. So I can sprint. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh, what the freak? Freaking. Okay, this is pretty good. Yeah, so the enemies can go through him, but I can't. So I gotta tell her that. Yeah, my score is going pretty good. I think I might have made like a Call of Duty Zombies type of deal. Yeah, let's add some sound effects, you know? So I'm gonna say add some sound effects, have that go. All right. So hopefully it added sounds. Oh yeah. Sounds like I'm shooting like a paintball. Refine enemy AI. So improve enemy AI to include more tactical behaviors like taking cover, flanking maneuvers, and coordinated attacks when multiple enemies are present. Also, they can move through the obstacles and I want them able to shoot back at me. Also include sounds. So I'll be back when that's done. Alright, so apparently I added all this like audio, enemy systems, obstacle avoidance, tactical state, flank and attack, line of sight, shooting back, damage. Okay. Hopefully it works pretty good. This is becoming a really good Call of Duty now. Oh shoot, I died. So the enemy pathfinding, that's really good. So now I want to be able to heal, get ammo, and also add more weapons. Okay, we'll see what I can do. Alright, so it made a robust weapon system with detailed procedural models, separate ammo pools, and pickup system for ammo and health bar. It did a bunch of stuff here, so hopefully it just works in one run. So I'm at 50 health right now. I need to get more health, but all like the enemies are so far from me. Oh dang, I got jumped. Oh shoot, I got jumped. They got me, they got me. Okay, that's not bad. Alright, so can you give me a gun model in my hands, please? With good detail. As well, add more weapons. Alright, so hopefully it gave me a gun model now. So yeah, so I don't see the gun model in my hands. Can you make that happen in the world? Alright, let's see what I can do, boys. So guys, here's the thing that like this sometimes does. It says like it does all this stuff, but like it does nothing. So right now I'm just gonna say, hey, you didn't do what you said. Alright guys, so I'm back. So I can tell I actually did stuff because of the green whatever this is. So yep, so let's give it a shot. Let's see if it. So I still don't see the weapon models on my camera, so I'm gonna say, hey, I don't still see the weapon model. Alright, let's see. Oh, finally it's working. The gun model's a little like messed up. Okay, this is actually sick. Nah, I feel like I can take on the world now. Oh shoot. Gotta reload. The freak. So yeah, I'm gonna say improve weapon visuals. Yeah, I'm gonna just do that, see what it does. Alright, so we're back now. Let's see what kind of detail it did to the weapons. Whoa. Okay, so it's looking a lot more better. Oh. Let's got an SMG. Oh, this thing shoots quick. Okay. I see you, Gemini. It's making my game lag. Oh, what the heck? I thought they couldn't do that. I'm about to die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Okay. So the prompt we're gonna be making is make the game better in however you see fit. I'm gonna say take your time and make this game great. I want it to beat Black Ops 7. Alright, so we're just gonna give it this prompt and I'll be right back to you to see what it gives us. Alright guys, so we're back. So it added aim down sights, ADS, precision weapon animation, dynamic camera recoil, particle systems, and environmental overhaul. So we're gonna test it out. Convert ops protocol 7. Let's engage. Whoa, what the heck is this? Oh, what the freak? Yo, they added like actual animations. So when I'm running, the graphics are actually like a lot better too. How long we last? Okay, give me the health. I'm getting swarmed over here. Oh shoot, they got me from behind. Okay, I want to see what the other weapons look like. Oh, sick. Okay, so they kind of look the same. Do the same animation when I'm running. I don't know, man. The shotgun's just not that good, honestly, compared to this. So I know there's enemy. Okay, can I jump on these? No. Yeah, honestly, the game looks really good. The graphics are really good. It actually did make the game better when I kill them, or when I body them. Oh shoot, what's happening? Okay, guys, I don't know, man. This is pretty much like Black Ops 7. I can't really tell the difference. No, they're gonna be over here. Yes. Oh, let's run away. Dang, they're like all camping there. Shooting me behind the wall. Oh. If I just switch to the shotgun real quick. Let's give it one more shot. You know, I like the graphics and the running animation. Like, it made everything like shiny and glistening. I got 2 shotguns. I need health. I'm gonna die. Guys, I've only been on wave 1 and I'm dying so freaking fast. Bro, no one's dropping health now. I need myself a health pack. Come on, guys. Where's my health pack at? There it is. I'm bodying everyone! Bro, I just keep getting shotguns. The shotgun's kind of booty cheeks. Like, I'm spamming it. Alright guys, well, that was me trying to make Call of Duty Black Ops 7 with AI. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And comment down what game you'd like me to try to make next. And yeah, have a good one. God bless.